Hi everyone, this is just a quick live video about Gary Mosher. I prepared a few slides, so let me open them. Alright, so I'm going to challenge Gary again, and there are two possibilities. Either he will take the challenge, in which case he will instantaneously have an epiphany that will make him understand the hard way that he was wrong. Or he will, as usual, cowardly flee, which will confirm that he is perfectly aware that he is ridiculously wrong. Before stating what the challenge is, let us remind Gary's own version of the supposedly Newton's second law. According to him, Newton said that the force is directly proportional to the mass and the velocity. In other words, F equals mv. And he cannot deny the fact that if we assume his ridiculous law were true, then it could be rewritten as V equals F over m. But now this poses him a huge problem. Let me explain why. When an object is in a free fall, the only force acting on it is gravity. That's the definition of free fall. And the point is that this force is nearly the same whether the object is 1 meter above the ground or at the top of the Empire State Building. In case you want to deny this fact, Gary, you can put the object on a spring scale on top of a table on the ground and at the top of the building. The spring scale will read the same value. You would need a very precise scale to see that the force of gravity on the object is slightly less at the top of the building. So, we can say that, to an excellent approximation, the force is the same. But the object's mass is also the same whether it is on a table or at the top of the building. Same force, same mass, therefore same ratio, and according to your law, Gary, same velocity. So, your law predicts that the velocity of the object will be the same whether it falls from a height of 1 meter or from the height of the building. Now the challenge is simple. I personally have no problem jumping from a height of 1 meter, so I challenge you, Gary, to jump from the top of the Empire State Building. It should be a piece of cake, same velocity as if you jump from 1 meter, right? Rest in pieces.